Hello, fellow marketers. I'm Brian Bowie, and welcome to another episode of Directive R&D. In the lab today, super excited to walk through a process we like to use to formulate our content strategy that maps to different customer personas and segments based on different customer needs. We found that using this approach has helped us better align with our customers to deliver more value with our content than taking a keyword-first approach, which a lot of SEO and content marketers sometimes take. So I'm going to walk through a quick worksheet, show you how we like to use it, and hopefully this inspires you to make a copy of this and use it for your own marketing. So without further ado, going to make myself a lot smaller, move myself over here while I go through this. But this is a quick worksheet we like to use. It's 2 tabs here to map out customer needs based on different job functions and different seniorities. You can dissect it however you'd like, whatever method you think works to help better understand the needs of your customers and the different customers you have. So for Directive, I use as an example here, we do SEO and paid media for SaaS companies. Within there, we know we typically have 2 main customer segments for each product line, whether it's a shared persona within directors of demand gen or digital marketing, or more of a focused one in this function of an SEO director or a content director. And same goes for paid media. I put these other placeholders in case you wanted to use your own solution for different use cases, industries, features, whatever it's going to be to help you map this out. Below for each segment, there is a way we segment it even further. From our experience, we found that depending on its seniority, they'll care about different things and how you can help them with your content. If they're a decision maker and a practitioner, that's kind of how we've broken it apart here. If we want to create more actionable, tactical type content or more high level content that helps them make higher level decisions. And in each column here or each row, we break down different variables or details that help us better pick a more aligned content strategy and topics and mediums for that particular person. So here we start with jobs to be done. What does this person, what are they hired on to do ultimately at the end of the day? What are their different needs as a customer from potentially a service or a solution like ours? And what are their day-to-day challenges and pain points that our solution can solve for? What is the desired outcome of our service? So moving from A to B, what will they get at B? What will they have if they use your solution versus without? And then different decision criteria. Decision makers will need different pieces of information to decide if your solution is the right fit for them versus practitioners who maybe need to become a champion for you, an advocate for you to work with the decision maker to potentially choose your solution. And then your unique value proposition to that person. How can you specifically help their day-to-day lives become better with different content? So here's a quick breakdown and you can use this sheet here to lay out these details to help you map out your content. Next, so after you have that all mapped out and you feel like you've done enough research, you talked to enough customers, you listened to enough sales calls to understand exactly what their needs are, mapping it to more actionable tactical strategy for how you deliver content to them would be the next best step. So we like to think of things as within different parts of the life cycle, customer life cycle with acquire, sell, and retain. Acquire, kind of introducing a problem that you help solve, selling them, and then retaining and expanding them. So for each different persona, we've developed this sheet to kind of break down their specific needs, different content ideas, a call to action to get them to the next stage, and promotion, because we all know most of the impact comes from promotion and not just the production of the content. So if you click here in the quick links, you can jump to whatever segment you're looking at. I put in some quick examples so you can kind of see at the different stages, maybe what that person will care about. X signs, you should be looking for a new X. So X signs, you should be looking for a new solution A or whatever yours could be for acquiring, introducing that problem and a new solution, a new way of doing things. An ROI calculator, when making a decision, sometimes that helps. And then events, expanding them and doing some more of that customer marketing that helps them become advocates of your brand. Thank you so much. Hope this helps.